In our last video, we looked at the basic operation of the data slicer. In this one, we're going to look back at those levels of questions from the first video in this series. And we're going to build some more complex condition sets. Right now, we're going to look at question levels 1 and 2, and in a subsequent video, we'll get to the third and fourth levels. Real quick, those first two questions are, which students are enrolled in at least one course in the fall term? Which students are enrolled in at least one course in the fall term and have an entrance term of the previous fall? As we move level by level through our examples here, we're going to start with an especially useful filter called enrollments in term. That filter will help us answer our first question. We're going to set the drop-down box here to enrollments in term. You'll see that it's listed under the Students condition category. We'll set each of these drop-downs. We're looking at the fall term. We want is set so that we get students of whom this is true, and we'll use greater than or equal to with a 1 in this box. Then we'll click Update. When that report loads, we have our answer. These students are enrolled in at least one course in the fall term. Our next question will use the filter we've already set here, and we'll add a new filter. At the end of the previous condition for enrollments in term, you'll see a plus sign. Click that plus sign to add another condition dropdown. In this new dropdown, we'll look under the Student Condition category for Entrance Term. We'll set that condition to Entrance Term is the previous fall. Then we'll click Update. When that report loads, we have a list of students enrolled in at least one course in the fall term who also have an entrance term of the previous fall. There's a lot you can do with just those first two question types. However, in our next video about the data slicer, we're going to get into the third and fourth question levels, which open up even more possibilities. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you're alerted when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.